Hello, my beautiful kings and queens out there. This is a ponytail tutorial for a sleek ponytail with 2 pieces coming down in the front. Yes, I do have natural hair. I love to keep it healthy and also happy while I do have my weave in. This is also a bougie on a budget and very cost efficient for everybody out there. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, and enjoy the video. This is one of my favorite combs that I use, and I'm going to definitely use this one at some point with the rat tail. So I'm just going to start by sectioning off the pieces that I want to hang. I kind of like them thick. Not kind of, I like them thick. First, let me start with my part. Because y'all, one thing about me, I'm dramatic with everything. And I like my stuff to be super overly dramatic sometimes. Okay. So I'm just gonna section it off. I do want to curve it so it can have that natural feel of me just taking like 2 pieces out of my hair and just, Since you have it sectioned off, braid it and pin it so you can get it out the way. So start with your ponytail. Some people do flat iron it to get a more sleek ponytail, but the thing is I'm natural and I don't want a lot of heat on my hair since I already blow dried it. So yeah, I started off wash, condition, and blow dried as well. Check your height to make sure it's perfect. Remove unnecessary hair. Dance and move on. So I'm going to start with my slick stick. This is, not sure exactly how to pronounce that name, but this is the slick stick that I use. It was like only $6.99. There was no specific reason why I chose this one. I'm pretty sure there are better ones out there, but I don't know. So now I'm just gonna start with my edges and kind of go up to the top. Now just use any hairspray to mold it down to make sure those little flyaways are just like gone and hidden. What I'm going to do to sit it in place is blow dry it down to make it hard, you know. So what you have to do, you have to put it on cool, okay? And just blow dry it down. So I can already feel like it's pretty stiff. It's pretty much there. What I don't like about this is it's kind of gray. It looks like it's a lot of residue on here. So let me see if I can. And I'm also gonna do a trick that I found from a YouTuber just to make it shinier and prettier. I'm just gonna take this and slightly do it across my edges. So I can get that shine. And yes, so glow. Feeling oh so silky smooth. Alright. Y'all see how much of a difference? Maybe that was a difference, okay? I'm gonna tighten my ponytail up. Okay, now that we got our ponytail tightened, we're going to start laying our edges. So I do get an old toothbrush. I just brush them down. Let me tell y'all something. I laid those edges, okay? Like, I'm not good at laying my little baby hairs, but I was definitely trying to give y'all the genuine effect. Y'all will definitely see later. We got our edges laid, our hair sprayed, so let's tie it down. I will leave all the details in the description box on what I use, is definitely as far as tying your hair down. Take some hair. This is Canocaline hair, regular $1.99. It used to be 99 cents back in the day, sis. So if you know, maybe live in a trap somewhere, it's probably still $1. It's probably still $1. I'm going to take my hair, take a rubber band, just a regular rubber band, and I'm gonna take it and I'm just gonna bring it through. Make sure it's even on both sides. I'm gonna take this and wrap it around my ponytail. Take my rubber band and secure the end of it. So the hair that I'm going to use is actually, this is by Shake and Go. I never realized this was by Shake and Go. But this is a 24-inch straight. This is a number 2. This pack right here was $8.99. That's why I'm telling y'all to go to the hair store, because you probably can only find this in there, so okay. Don't be trying to go to Target trying to find this. This is $8.99, and this is like perfect ponytail hair. If you want to flat iron this, it says curling iron up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It is a blended weave, okay? Be careful if you're trying to curl your weave or anything like that. For this, I would definitely not use 400 degrees on a flat iron. Use about probably 250. So I would start off I usually start off low and then kind of raise it up, just so you won't burn your hair, honey. Because it's been times where it's just caught on fire, Michael Jackson style. To start your ponytail, take the end where that specific end, not the one where it's looped. Take it and get a rubber band and actually put it around the hair just like that. And what you're gonna do now, you're gonna take it and secure it to the end of your braid where you did put that rubber band at where you secured the braid. And once you've done that, just start wrapping around. Now, all you have to do is just wrap and pin. Get a bobby pin and pin it going downwards. Do not pin it going upwards. Just pin it going downward. And I promise you, you will not feel it as long as it's pretty secure. At the end of the first bundle, that's the loop part, so just pin it down through the loop. Take the second bundle with the ends that are not looped and just pin it down and continue to wrap your ponytail. Now that you're at the top of your ponytail, go ahead and take off any excess wrap that was holding your little flyaways down, and continue to wrap it until you get to the very, very top of your ponytail. Okay, so brush your ponytail out just to make sure everything's good, because we're going to take a piece and actually wrap it around. Now, I actually pinned that part of my ponytail down, but a good secret is if you take some hairspray, yeah, I took another part as well. So that's absolutely fine. If you want your ponytail wrapped a little bit more, that's fine. But at the very, very end, take some hairspray and spray that part that you're wrapping, and actually take your flat iron. Remember, do not have it on 400 degrees. Just take your flat iron, and it's what I call seal the deal. Once you hear a sizzle, your wrap will actually be secured and it won't come apart. If you have flyaways, of course, cut them off in your ponytail. Sometimes that happens. Start flat ironing your leave out. If you want to leave your leave out natural, like with your natural hair, that's absolutely fine. But I did add some pieces to my 2 pieces that's hanging down in the front, just because like I said, I like them thick. So section it off. Make sure your part is straight so you can glue your track on to your 2 pieces. Now, I know this is not the healthiest way, but once you take your hair out and there's some glue that is stuck, in my last video, I stated to use hand sanitizer. I promise you it works. So if you have a glob of glue that's stuck in your hair, get some hand sanitizer, put it on the glue where it's actually stuck, leave it on for maybe 30 seconds. And I promise you it will slide right off with a comb. Just take a comb and comb it out. And also, if that glue is not coming out, just apply some more hand sanitizer on that spot and leave it on for a little bit longer, and it will definitely come off. Now, with gluing these pieces to the 2 pieces that's coming down the front, glue as many as you would like. Not too many, just as many as, you want to make it look thick. Like, if you like the way mine turned out, make it look thick. So what I'm going to do, I just want to make it look realistic on the sides. I'm going to take my razor cutter. I'm just going to frame it to my face. So I'm starting from the longest piece of my hair and I'm just going down. I would definitely be snakish, honey. Kind of wish it was a little higher, but I think it's like really, really sexy. It's really cute. This is how long my ponytail is. Now, I'm not sure exactly what happened to my sound at this point, but I hope you guys love the look as much as I do. And please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.